Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing, and today it is a new Chromebook from Lenovo that's coming out on October 21st. This is the C330, and it sells for $279, so it's a very reasonable price here for a Chromebook. And this is the white version. I think they have a few other colors available. They have two versions of this also. There is a 2-in-1, and there's also just a regular laptop. I think this is the 2-in-1, but the laptop will be powered by the same processor and whatnot. Inside of this one is an 11.6-inch display. I think it's a 720p display, but it is IPS, so it looks very nice. It's always good to see a IPS display on a low-cost device like this. It is all plastic, so nothing fancy on the build quality front, but it does feel pretty nice here. A little bit bulky and heavy, but that I think is to be expected for the price point. This is a tablet device, of course. I don't think there is a pen on this particular model, but I think you can get one for it. So you can use it like a tablet, or you can use it like a laptop. It feels pretty sturdy, like we've seen some of these other Chromebooks feel like, so that is good. Let's take a look at the ports here on the side. We've got a USB Type-C port. We'll check and see if this is a full service port or just a power port in the full review that you'll be able to find at lon.tv. HDMI here, USB 3, an SD card slot there for your camera cards and whatnot. On the other side here, we've got a headphone microphone jack, volume rocker, power switch, and a Kensington lock. This is powered by a MediaTek processor. So this is the same chip that is in what we've seen from Asus with their Chromebook Flip, and as well as Acer. So it's actually a nicely performing RISC processor, and I believe, and we'll check this in the review, that this device should be able to do the Linux apps also, because it is running with the same chip we've seen on those other computers there. Here is the power adapter. Nothing fancy here, but it is a USB-C plug on that end there. And then there's a little instruction booklet that comes in here as well. This has 4 gigabytes of RAM built in, I believe, yep. And 64 gigabytes of storage, and again, that 11.6-inch IPS display, along with the MediaTek 8173C processor. So stay tuned. We're going to have a full review of this new Chromebook coming up very shortly on the main channel at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Too Much Sauce, Gerard Nuberg, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.